Hey, you can't search them, homie. You can't search them for that. You can't search them for that, bro. Give me a citation and that's it. Just give me a citation, bro.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. We'll get over there.
Bro. Being recorded. I'm with my family. Why would I have weapons? Yeah, but you can't search them for that. It's a family event. Why would I have weapons?
I understand. So I gotta go.
These guys are pretty bad. Stop this shit.
I was scoping out the whole time and shit, huh? There was one way up there.
The other one was just scanning like this, going back and forth.
I thought one of the bigger
I have mine. I have mine up earlier.
Oh, you
Yeah, but mine was really low. Mine was getting footage.
The green
you
can hear yours.
Yeah, mine was low. I was getting footage of the rides and shit. Yeah, but I seen them fuckers up there right when I started. I'm like, whoa, shit, whose drones are those? So I figured once these fools rolled up, know who it is. Like a rookies, man. They got nothing else better to do, man.
Get your drone freaking right into there.
I can know. Look like a sheriff's won't act like this, dog. Only the cops, dog. The rookies. Shit.
Jenny, Martin, and Joel. I think Joel's
Shake.